A lot of people are still struggling to grow on YouTube and make money, and honestly, that blows my mind. Because right now, in 2026, making money on YouTube is the easiest it has ever been. Look at this. A brand new Faceless channel started posting just 1 month ago, got 6 million views, and made around $30,000 from those views. No face, no voice. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to build a profitable Faceless YouTube channel step by step for free. And trust me, if you've ever tried making a Faceless channel and failed, it's not your fault. You simply didn't understand how the algorithm works. But after watching this video, you'll understand exactly how the algorithm works and how to create these viral videos using AI. What's up, creators? I'm Chase Brooks, and welcome back to Chase Profit. Let's get into it. So let's look at this channel, Mr. Science. It has 40,000 subscribers, 6 million total views. And here's the crazy part. It started posting only 1 month ago. His first video did 5.2 million views. That's easily $20,000 from one video. So the question is, how? Why did it explode? YouTube is huge. Over 2 billion people watch every month, so imagine giant groups of people. One group loves gaming, one group loves vlogs, one group loves food, one group loves deep sea creatures, one group loves space, and so on. But inside those big groups, there are smaller groups. Example, inside gaming, some only like Fortnite, some only like World of Warcraft, some only like League of Legends. Everyone who fails on YouTube makes this mistake. They jump between topics. Fortnite one day, vlog the next, World of Warcraft later, cooking video next week. When you do this, you confuse the algorithm. The algorithm is a robot that tries to figure out who to show your content to. If you post all kinds of stuff, the robot has no idea where your content belongs. But if your videos all aim at one tiny group, suddenly everything clicks. The algorithm trusts you. It knows exactly who to send your video to. Your views rise faster. This is exactly why Mr. Science blew up. Every video is about deep sea creatures, and YouTube now knows exactly who loves those videos. Now that you understand the strategy, let's build your first video using AI. Everything I'm about to show is inside my free Google Doc linked in the description. Tools, prompts, scripts, everything. Step 1. Generate the script using Claude. You'll take my script prompt from the free document, paste it into Claude, and replace the text that says insert here with your chosen creature. Inside the doc, I give a full list of real theoretical sea creatures scientists believe may have existed. Use those, not fake monsters, or YouTube could flag your channel. Claude will generate your full script in seconds, copy it, and move on. Step 2. Generate the voiceover using Google AI Studio. Go to Google AI Studio text-to-speech, switch to single speaker audio. Paste your script. Choose a voice you like. Click run. Perfect human sounding voiceover for free. Download it. Step 3. Generate the footage using Higgsfield AI. This is where your video comes alive. Inside the document, copy the prompt of your creature. Paste it into Higgsfield under Create Image. Choose Model Nano Banana Pro. Ratio 16:9. Quality 4K. Pick your favorite image. Then transform that image into video using Google Video 3.1 inside Higgsfield. Choose 16:9. 8 seconds. Add your motion prompt. Generate, download. Step 4. Edit everything in CapCut. Import your voiceover, your generated video clips. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline. Place the video clips on top. Remove the video's background audio. Then add subtitles. Go to text, auto captions, generate. Choose a clean documentary style font. Add more AI clips and add transitions. It keeps the retention high. Your video is done. And that's exactly how these Faceless channels are exploding right now. Everything you need to start is already in this video. If you follow it step by step, you can build a profitable Faceless channel from scratch. And if you want to learn how to build viral Roblox rant videos, check out this video. The link is in the description. I'll see you inside.